Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix mobile development with Xamarin, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin fixing mobile development issues with Xamarin, open your preferred integrated development environment, or IDE. Make sure you have the latest version of Visual Studio installed on your machine. Create a new Xamarin project by selecting the appropriate template for your needs, either Xamarin Forms or Xamarin Android. Once the project is created, navigate to your main page.xaml file. Check for any layout issues by reviewing the XAML code for any missing or improperly set attributes. If you encounter compilation errors, examine the error. Make necessary adjustments to your code, such as correcting namespace declarations or fixing any broken references. Open your main page.xaml.cs file to inspect the code behind for any logic issues. Look for any unhandled exceptions that could affect the app's performance. Next, ensure that all required NuGet packages are installed and up to date. Right-click on your solution in the Solution Explorer and choose Manage NuGet Packages. Navigate to the Installed tab and verify that your packages are current. If updates are available, select and install them. After updating, clean your solution to remove any old cached files. In the menu, select Build, then Clean Solution. Once cleaned, rebuild the project by selecting Build and then Rebuild Solution. If you're targeting multiple platforms, verify that you have the necessary SDKs installed for each platform. Go to Project Properties and double-check the target framework settings for Android and iOS. Make sure the necessary permissions are configured in the Android manifest.xml file for Android projects. For iOS, verify that the info.plist file has the required configuration settings. Now, run your application on a simulator or a physical device to test the changes. Observe the console output for any logged errors or warnings during runtime. If issues persist, use breakpoints and the debug feature to trace through your code. Identify and correct any logic errors that arise during the debugging process. After addressing all identified issues, conduct a thorough testing phase. Test on various devices to ensure compatibility and performance across different screen sizes and resolutions. Finally, once testing is complete and your application runs smoothly, consider deploying the application to the appropriate app store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.